I have a question. I love orchids. Are orchids native to Minnesota?
That's a good question. There are orchids native to Minnesota. Most people don't even realize that. The state flower, the showy lady slipper, is in fact an orchid. We have several lady slippers in the state that are native. We have about 46 species in Minnesota that are native. Most people don't know we have orchids because most orchids are really hard to find. A lot of orchids are really rare, and a lot of the orchids we do have in Minnesota are very hard to get to. They're in very interesting landscapes. Here at the Arboretum, we're working on conservation. We'd like to bring orchids to the Arboretum, a lot of these native orchids to Arboretum, to show people so that they don't have to try and get out there to these hard places to see orchids, but also to show them that we're doing conservation work. Because there are a lot of rare orchids, we're interested in banking seed and conserving the genetics and just the beauty of these native species. So the reason why they're so hard to find, there's actually multiple reasons why they're hard to find. It really depends on the species. Some are hard to find because they're just really rare. Even if you find a population of them, there may be just one or two flowering plants in the whole landscape, and that's it. So you have to track down one plant, and you can see how dense the vegetation is in a bog. Trying to find a single flowering plant is going to be tricky. Another reason why some orchids are hard to find is the flowers are green in some orchids. And so you're looking for a green flower on a green plant and a green background, which makes it hard to find too. And some orchid flowers are tiny, 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 only about 1 millimeter long. So they are just very hard to find.
Ask the Arboretum Experts has been brought to you by the Minnesota Landscape Arboretum in Chaska, dedicated to enriching lives through the appreciation and knowledge of plants.